everyone, in today's video I am going to review my recent purchase, that is Flicka Cosmetic Foundation. It's their new launch, the Beige Story Flicka Creamy Foundation. This foundation comes in 5 different shades. I am in the shade 02 Beige. Look at the packaging, it looks like a compact powder and the price of this product is $8.99. Let's give a try. Can you see how easily this is blending? It's just like a butter.
The Beige Story Flicka foundation is cruelty free and you can see the foundation is very creamy and it blends effortlessly, and also this foundation is long lasting and waterproof.
I also purchased their beauty blender. You can see it is so cute.
MRP of this beauty blender is just $199. This is very soft and spongy. We should always damp beauty blender before using. You can clearly see the size difference after damp. And the best part, it comes with a container. You can store your beauty blender after use. It helps to maintain hygiene, and shape of this beauty blender helps to blend your foundation easily in every corner. This Flicka foundation feels so light on your skin, and also it contains SPF, so it helps you to protect from harmful UV rays. It gives matte finish, and I just love the foundation and beauty blender. And also this foundation is transfer proof. You can see it won't transfer at all. So go and grab this foundation and beauty blender as soon as possible.